Hi Tigers, this is Mrs. Bogert, and I'm so excited to have you guys all in my health class this semester. I just wanted to make a quick little tutorial to show you how to get to our Google Meet for Tuesday. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to your Schoology account and go to your courses. Once you get there, you'll see all of your courses listed. They will look different than mine because these are my courses. The one that will look the same though is your health class. So you will find Bogert Health and you will want to click on that. Okay, once you have clicked on that, it will pull you into our health page. You'll see a little picture that looks just like this. There's a lot of different stuff on here, but the thing that you're going to need for Tuesday is the little conversation bubble down here in the bottom right hand corner that says click for Google Meet. So you're going to click on that and it's going to take you to the Google Meet schedule, and it will also then give you a link to go to the Google Meet. So we will meet on a normal week on Mondays and Thursdays. The different hours will meet at these different times. So depending on what hour you're in, you'll have a different nickname. I try to keep it as simple as possible, Bogert, and then whatever hour you happen to be in. So if you're in my second hour, you'll use Bogert 2, fourth hour Bogert 4, fifth hour Bogert 5. So I'm just going to pick one for this. So I'm just going to say I'm in second hour health. So I'm going to then follow the directions in red. It says click on the picture below, click on join or start a meeting, type in our class nickname, and click on continue. I'm not very good at remembering things, so I'm going to go ahead and just copy the nickname. So I'm just going to go ahead and highlight Bogert 2. Again, if you're in a different hour, you'll use whichever nickname is appropriate. I'm going to hit Control C. I'm then going to click on the picture. I will click on join or start meeting. And then I'm going to either type in or because I copied it, I can paste it. So I'm just going to Control V. And there's the nickname. Hit continue. Once you've done that, you will have the option to join and you'll be in our Google Meet. All right, hopefully this was a helpful little tutorial. If you need anything or if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me and I will be happy to help. Thanks. See you Tuesday.